out some way. You gotta release yourself. You feel me? I do mine as rapping in some other ways, like you know. Young 40, I be on like a motherfucker. Stay fly, stay fresher than the motherfucker.
Been doing this for a while. Rep the heat, man. Not Miami heat, but Melo heat.
I'm hella dope, nigga.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, I put out a freestyle on you real quick. I don't give a fuck.
I'm dope. I'm dope. I'm dope, bitch.
Feel me? Bonafide heat, man. Feel me? On top. Young Sil, man. That's how I do shit. Feel me?
Mastermind with the rhyming, you ain't as blasted as I am. Roll the bet while I'm driving and getting cash on the highway. Cause I'm in the rush to make hits and change the game. Cause y'all niggas suck. Be in the booth for a month, I don't give a fuck. Long as I put on for the low shit, that's enough. But hold up, yo, I'm in the booth right now. Come holla at a stunner. Then it got quiet all of a sudden.